This is the brand new Angelique Titan UV 2000 watt professional hair dryer. This hair dryer comes with 3 heat settings and 2 speed settings. This first button that you'll see here is the speed settings. It's got 2 of them. The lower button right here is the heat settings, and it has 3 of those. This dryer also comes with a turbo heat button when you need that extra punch. This dryer is very lightweight. Comes, like I said, with 2000 watts. Has a removable filter for easy cleaning. Also, this dryer comes with perfumed inserts that are inside the box as well as inside the dryer. So while the dryer is on, you can smell the perfume. The best thing about this dryer is the brand new UV technology. When this dryer is on, you will see a blue light emitted. This UV technology not only seals the hair cuticle for healthy hair, but also nourishes the scalp. As I turn the hair dryer on, you will see the blue light become. And let me tell you, as I turn this dryer on, I can definitely smell the perfumed inserts. Gives that salon smell. Also, this dryer comes with a lifetime warranty. And for safety features, comes with a hanging loop. So, here you have the brand new Angelique 2000 watt professional hair dryer that comes with 3 heat settings and 2 speed settings, a turbo heat button for that extra power punch, removable lint filter, and hanging loop for safety.